पिछले दिनों मुंबई में ऐश्वर्या राय ने एक डायमंड कंपनी की नई कलेक्शन को लॉन्च किया। वैसे तो हमने ऐश्वर्या को कई सारे विज्ञापनों में देखा है, पर ऐश्वर्या के मुताबिक डायमंड ज्वेलरी का ब्रांड एम्बेसडर होना उनके लिए काफी महत्वपूर्ण है।
It's my privilege that the company has retained and kept me as a brand ambassador, and it's been a wonderful experience so far. Like I said earlier, right now at the unveiling, that the design is traditional.
डायमंड्स पहनना हर किसी को पसंद है, पर लड़कियां इसे ज्यादा पहनती हैं।
You've always heard the statement, diamonds are a girl's best friend, but I think more than anything else is the fact that it's that wonderful adornment. I think dressing up, adornment, embellishing is part of being a woman, and is definitely a part of being an Indian woman. In our marriages, in our weddings, in our festivities, in our basic pujas, there's always a lot of our goddesses being, dressed up and bejeweled, and likewise the Indian woman. So in that sense, diamonds are the perfect sparkly, and they're extremely precious, and we do value it. So thereby, it does evoke a lot of appreciation and immense respect.
ये तो मान लिया कि डायमंड्स हमेशा से ही लड़कियों के लिए काफी खास रहे हैं, पर ऐश्वर्या को डायमंड ज्वेलरी पहनना कितना पसंद है, आइए उन्हीं से पूछते हैं।
I do love diamonds, but I truly am in favor of subtlety. If just because you have jewelry or you love jewelry, you don't have to wear them all at the same time. So in that sense, it's rare that I probably wear. I like to wear it tastefully and not overdo it, but I do definitely appreciate it.
हम दुआ करते हैं कि इन डायमंड्स की शाइन आपकी जिंदगी के साथ साथ आपके करियर पर भी असर करे।